you think that search for people who are interested in philosophy are looking for answers sometimes, or they're looking for something, that natural curiosity, do you think that's what helped you in building your Amazon business?
For sure, that had a lot to do with it, but that was also a weakness in a way because it always made me want to look for something better rather than just focus. Once I had a proven blueprint, I know I've lost a lot of money by not focusing on that proven blueprint and just building a business. I never really wanted to build a business where I have people under me that I manage. So until about 2.5 years ago, that was not even on my radar. I was not willing to build a business where I had people under me to manage because I didn't want to deal with people.
Sure.
I enjoy the challenge of figuring things out, finding a new way to make money, not necessarily to make money. I discovered that actually making money is not very motivating to me. And I discover other people are the same. But finding solutions to problems was very motivating. And so to kind of wrap up the answer, it was a strength in one way, but at times it was a weakness because it made me look for more different ways to make money rather than doing the boring things of researching product, launching them, making money, and repeating the process. We had a proven process at one point, and I didn't stick to it. I kept looking for something else out of curiosity. I don't know.
It's human
But
nature.
I guess.